boys and girls, you know what day is today? It's Friday. And you know what it means when it's Friday. Today we're gonna have one of those SuccessFunnel Fridays, as in we're gonna discuss how to make your business better. So remember, last time we did the A's, as in AARRR, as in one of the A's. So that was the activation phase. We did the email marketing campaign on MailerLite last time. And today we're gonna dwell more into the marketing specifics and how to use these tools further. Okay, so today we're gonna do a landing page for a specific campaign for a B2B business. So the point of the landing page is to create a campaign so we can draw more clients into our service. So how do you do this? By doing a landing page. Well, the key now for the page would be to give free usage of the software for 1 month. And then after the 1 month, hopefully those persons or the people, clients, would convert into paying customers and try to use the service further. So we'll use this as the main hypothesis of the landing page. We'll create the landing page using a cool new tool, which is going to use artificial intelligence to create the content called Unbounce. There's a nice gimmick into it, so you don't have to use that much time to create the actual page. I'll show you quickly how to do this. So if you remember from the earlier episodes, we did this Trello board of the actions that we need to do for the growth hacking project that we're actually now doing. So we have all the different steps from acquisition to activation to retention to referral and to revenue. And obviously today we're at the retention part and we're doing the landing page. And the next few steps are also over here. So this is good when you have to follow up what's been done and what you still have to do. And obviously you can comment the actual steps and your findings by clicking each individual thing. So over here, like the unbounce thing, we can click that we're done and have a comment for it. Let's say we did 2 versions and save. So this, if you have a massive, big project, this will help to manage the project. Let's say there's more than just you doing these things. You can assign, like I said before, you can assign the tasks to different members of your group. So this is very helpful, like I said, if the project is more than just a few slides and one person. So hi guys, this is like the video about the Unbounce and how to use the Unbounce tool. So basically first, obviously, you have to do your registration. There's a form, you have to fill the form with your information, email address, so forth. And then once you've done that, you probably have to verify your email, go to your email inbox, click that link. And then once all that is done, you'll end up here, which is the main view or the dashboard of the tool. And from here, you start creating the landing page itself. There's a button on the corner that says create new. You go there. And this was the tool that I mentioned that has like the smart builder or the OpenGPT style helper that helps you to create the copywriting stuff or the text for the page. So you go to start building. And from there, it needs some information from your part. So what are you trying to build? Does it include a form, etc., etc.? So our purpose of the page is obviously callback or sales or the leads in this case. And we'll also include a form into the page where we can collect the information of the potential leads or the clients. So we'll click this. And this is like one of the templates that you could use. Here you can change the colors, etc. More Zen look or deep space or whatever. These are like just the basic things. And then you go on and you create a copy. And from this part, you have to have a company description. This is part of the helper tool or the EA tool that helps you create the text. So you need to be here very careful what you input because this is used as a basis to create the copywriting stuff. For me, as a lazy person, I've used ChatGPT, used him or this tool to create the text, which I'll then use over here again, like so. I will use that to generate the copy. So obviously, you shouldn't use this or read this like the Bible. So obviously, there's issues with the text itself, as it's computer generated. So obviously, you have to go through the text and see the mistakes or the inconsistencies with the copywriting. So obviously, like here, it's using still the headlines from the actual template page. The call to actions are probably incorrect, but these are minor details which you can very quickly change. And obviously, if you want to add a change, fix the layout, maybe there's different testimonials that you want to put here instead of having the placeholders that they have over here, then you would do it over here right now. This is one of those like drag and drop style tools, so it's very easy to change things. Just go to the field, either remove it or change things on it. So it's all very fast and easy. You don't need to have any coding experience of any source to do this. So basically, when that is done, you'll end up with a landing page like so. This is like the finished product that I've fixed. As you can see, like the headlines and all those things are done, minus the testimonials, which you would actually obviously change. But yeah, so basically, this is very simple, very fast. I think the whole process took me less than 10 minutes to do. Obviously, if you want to do like super sexy or something very nice with the pictures and backgrounds and stuff, this you could also change from your own material. But I've just used the basic ones that they had in the template as sort of placeholders. But yeah, if you put it more time, more hours to it, it's going to be so more time and effort you put into it, the better looking it will become for you. So basically, this, like I said, took me maybe 10 minutes, but even with 10 minutes, it's almost good enough to be published. So once you're back at the main dashboard view, you'll see all your landing pages or the pages that you've created. And on the right hand side, you have like this quick glance of the statistics of each page. If you want to have like more information of the statistics, you can always just click the actual page link and you'll end up on the secondary page. And here on the secondary page, you'll have more detailed graphics and statistics of the traffic on the page. So in this case, as the page is totally brand new, you'll just have one visitor. But if this would be an actual project that it was running, this would obviously have way more views and hopefully way more conversions. So basically, like I said, you just go back to the main dashboard view. And here by clicking the actual page, you'll end up on the statistics, or you can have a quick glance on the right hand side, which have like the main statistics right there. Whew, that was tough. Fortunately, the page is now created. And I hope you liked the video. And remember, next time would be another R. We'll discuss that R further next episode. Not next week, but next episode. Remember this, next episode, kids. So if you find this of value, like it, share it, give the links to your friends, subscribe. And like I said, see you next time.